Hello class 9, Monica ma'am here to teach you history of class 9. This is your prescribed book. You can see this. This is your prescribed book and I am about to start with your first chapter, that is Harappan civilization. As you know, the name of the chapter is the Harappan civilization. So first I will tell you the meaning of civilization. The process by which a society or place reaches an advanced stage of social and cultural development and organization is known as civilization. As you know, in the beginning man was a hunter and gatherer, and when they civilized themselves, when they start living together and they had made their houses and all, that process came to be known as civilization, and in definition words you will write like that only. Now you will see the Harappan civilization. The Indus Valley civilization is best known as the Harappan civilization because Harappan site was the first site to be discovered. That is why it is known as Harappan civilization, and it was discovered in 1921. Mohenjo-daro was discovered in 1922, and both lies in the Indus Valley region. When you will go through the syllabus, you will see in this chapter sources are the main points of the chapter and the main syllabus of the part of the syllabus. So sources were the Great Bath, Citadel, Seals, Bearded Man, the Dancing Girl, and Script. Now we will go to the origin of civilization. Origin of civilization was divided into two parts. First is foreign origin and another one is indigenous origin. Means some historical beliefs that it was originated in foreign countries, and most of the historians believes that it is an indigenous civilization. Now we will come to the extent of civilization, means how far it was extended. The Harappan civilization extended towards western India. It covered parts of Punjab, Haryana, Sindh, Baluchistan, Gujarat, Rajasthan and the fringes of West Uttar Pradesh. The large sites of the Harappan civilization are Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Kalibanga and Lothal. Now we will come to the next topic, that is urban planning. The features of the urban planning were each city was divided into two parts. The raised area that was known as citadel and the lower town where the common people lives. And citadel was the place where the king and their family and relatives were used to of living. Citadel was separated from the lower town by a wall. The important building called Great Bath, the granary, the assembly hall and the workshops, these all lie in the citadel. The main street followed a grid pattern. The houses of street corners were rounded to allow cars to pass. House drains emptied all waste water into the street drains. As you know, the Harappan civilization was having a great drainage system. The street crossed the main roads at right angle. Now we will come to the trade of Harappan civilization. The Harappan carried on considerable trade in stones, metal, shell, etc. They did not use metal money but carried on the exchange based on barter. You know the barter system, exchange of goods without money was known as barter system. Rice seems to have been imported to Punjab from Gujarat. Lothal, Surkotada and Balakot were some of the major trading coastal towns carried on trade with Mesopotamia and West Asian sites. The Mesopotamians record from about 2350 BC onwards refer to trade relations with Mehula. Mehula was the ancient name of Indus region. Gold was imported from Karnataka and Afghanistan, copper from Rajasthan, South India, Baluchistan and Arabia. Now we will come to the next topic, that is art and craft of the Harappan civilization. It is divided into three different parts. First was sculpture. Bearded man. A bearded man statue has found that man is carrying a shawl on his left shoulder. And historians suggest that it must be a statue of a yogi. The dancing girl statue, a girl in the form of dancing is standing, her left hand kept on her hip and right hand was totally bangled, and male and female figurine. These were the sculptures. Now come to the ornaments. Famous ornaments that found in the Harappan excavation were necklace, finger rings, bangles, armlets, anklets, nose rings, fan-shaped headgears and earrings. Toy and amusement dyes, hunting and fishing, musical instruments such as drum and lyre, toys of birds, animal, figurine, cards, and whistles were the most important methods of their amusement. Now come to the decline of civilization. Historians believe that the flood and earthquake must be the reason of the decline of the civilization. Some historians believe that increased aridity means the strong weather conditions were there, because of that the Harappan civilization declined. Some historians believe that deforestation, reckless cutting down of tree, was the reason of the decline of civilization, and some historians believe that the attack of another tribe had demolished the civilization of Harappa. So this was your chapter. Shortly I will give you the question and answers of this chapter, so you will be able to copy it down in your notebooks. If you are having a new notebook, it's all right. If not, then you better copy it in your old notebook, all your notes. If you have got any problem, any query, so you can contact me, or otherwise you will complete these notes, short notes, in your notebook. Shortly I will give you the question answers also. Thank you, class. Have a nice